Hello to everyone watching this video. My name is Pavlo Yatkovich and I'm one of the account managers here at Zacks Investment Research. In this video, I will go over the benefits, functionality, and use cases of the Zacks Advisor Tools Table Builder, how to navigate and create custom tables within the Table Builder, as well as some key takeaways. So, a little bit of background on the benefits and functionality of the Table Builder. The table builder is mainly used for comparing stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs in a watch list or screen using the metrics of your choice in an easy to analyze spreadsheet format. You can include up to 25 columns and have the ability to choose from hundreds of metrics. We are also always adding new metrics, so if there are any that should be added, please ask. Also, one has the ability to save custom tables for easy access, as well as export these tables to Excel for additional analysis. Now let's get into the actual functionality of the Zacks Advisor Tools Table Builder. So first of all, just to point out, Quote Monitor and Table Builder tabs, they are both directly connected. Anything that you guys create within the quote monitor, for instance, any watch list that you guys create, will be able to get displayed within the table builder. And it doesn't matter whether it's an equities watch list, an ETF watch list, or a mutual fund watch list. It all works the same exact way. So let's dive into the table builder and learn how to navigate within. So this is a test table that I created specifically for this video. Let's just start with deleting these columns. So let's say, for instance, you guys want to delete price to sales. It's super easy. You simply come over to the X and click on the X. If you guys want to delete price to book or dividend yield, everything can be deleted. Now, let's say, for instance, you guys want to add a specific metric. So first thing that you would do is come over on the right-hand side, click on Options, and click Add Metric. After you click Add Metric, a database of metrics comes up and you have the ability to choose anything that we have within this database. So everything, as you guys can see, is split up into categories, and then within these categories, specific metrics. So for instance, if you guys are looking for, let's say, dividend yield, you would come down under category dividends and select dividend yield and click Add Metric once dividend yield is selected. So as you guys can see, dividend yield was added to the right-hand side of the table. Now let's say, for instance, you guys want to reorganize this table. Maybe you would like to move dividend yield all the way to the front. Maybe you guys would like to add the Zacks rank all the way to the back. So how to reorganize this table? It's really easy. All you have to do is click on these sideways arrows and simply move that metric. So for instance, if we want to move dividend yield all the way to the front, we could. And for instance, if we want to move the Zacks rank all the way to the back, we could do that as well. So after you guys are done adding and deleting and reorganizing this table, the next step is saving the table. So saving the table, you would have to come over here, click on Select Action. From here, you have the ability to save tables or select previously saved tables that were saved under Open Library. When you click Open Library, you have all of your saved tables. And from here, you either have the ability to select them and open them, or you can also rename them and delete them. It also tells you a short, basically, description of when the table was created. So let's exit out from here. So when you guys are saving actually new tables, you would have to click Save As. However, if you are editing an existing table, you can simply hit Save. So what Save As will do is create a brand new table and basically require you to give it a name. So this table is a test table. Let's say, for instance, this is just a default table and I did some work to it and I want to just, rename it. So I would click Save As, and let's say, for instance, I'll call it Test 5. Now I saved it. Now when I click open screen library, my test 5 table is over here. So let's exit out from here. So as I previously mentioned, the table builder and quote monitor, they are both directly connected. So what I meant by that is basically any watch list that you guys have within quote monitor, you can access it by clicking on this display tickers from tab, and all of your watch lists come up. You can select any of them, and you should have the same metrics going across based on which table it is. So lastly, if you guys would like to maybe export this table to Excel for further customization purposes, you would come over to the right hand side, click options, and click export to Excel, and your download should pop up over here. So now that we are done with the navigation, we will wrap up with the key takeaways. So let's come back to the PowerPoint. So what are basically the key takeaways of Table Builder? So the main reason why the Table Builder is so useful is because instead of searching separately everywhere, either in Zacks Advisor tools or outside sources for specific data points, you can have all of the most important metrics used in your investment process in one place. So this results in saving time, creating a stress-free process that can be used for presentation purposes or personal analysis. All right, thank you guys for attending, and any questions or requests, please reach out to us at this email, zat@zacks.com, or this following phone number. All right, thank you and have a good one, guys.